everyone, I'm here with Grace from Apex Computer and Mobile Repair. Thanks so much for having me, Grace.
Not a problem at all.
I just want to jump right in and ask you, what services and support do you offer to people who need computer or mobile repair?
Well, I offer all kinds of repairs. If it has a motherboard, I can fix it. So when it comes to mobile devices, so phones and tablets, screen replacements, battery replacements, and charger port replacements are the big three.
Okay.
Those are the ones that get beat up the most. And then when it comes to computers, desktop computers, I build them, I repair them. Laptops, I repair them. And then I've just recently branched out into game consoles, so Xboxes, PlayStations, Nintendo Switches, that kind of thing.
Oh, very cool. Hey, Grace, so tell me, what are you most proud of when you think of your business?
I'm most proud of the fact that I've made a go of it. Like when I started Apex was back in 2016, and of course that was back during that particular downturn.
Yeah.
My husband ended off of work for 10 months, and we completely, unfortunately, had to wipe out our retirement savings to stay afloat. And I realized at that time I had to do something. I'd been a stay-at-home mom ever since my son was born, and I felt like I had to do something to help the household.
Yeah.
And so I created Apex.
That's amazing. And if I were to ask any of your customers or clients, what would they say they love most about the services that you provide?
Most of them would say that they just like me. They say I'm very personable, and I do try to be. I have the capacity to get a little high strung about if a repair goes wrong or something like that, which does happen. Don't let anyone ever tell you that the repairs don't go wrong. But I am generally a fairly easygoing person, and I like interacting with my clients. I like that face-to-face contact.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. And you can tell that you're very easygoing, very relaxed, and good to talk to.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate what you do.
Okay. Well, thank you for talking to me.
Awesome. Thank you.